What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna pretty much look at how to get your PC running smoother. Some simple things to do here. Alright, so one of my things I've used forever is go into your search bar right here, bottom left. Type in run. Bring up your run app. Type in clean MGR. Just hit enter. Pick what drive you want to use. I'm going to go with my C drive. It's going to find all the stuff that needs cleaned. I check every box. Thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, optimization files, temporary internet files, downloaded program file. None of this stuff is going to affect anything you do on a daily basis. This is just cleaning up garbage. I do it regularly, so this isn't a bad number. 220 megs, we're gonna get rid of it. You can hit OK, or you can click right here, clean up system files. And when you do this, it's gonna bring up even more stuff. So we have device driver packages. That was 1.42 gigs. Windows update cleanup. We don't need that anymore. The update's done. 3.11 gigs. We're getting rid of 4.75 gigs of space is going to be cleaned away. Yes, delete all files. Takes a couple seconds. Kind of let it do its thing. It's cleaning up all those stuff, all those boxes we checked. If your PC's been, lagging a little bit, feel like it's not performing the way it should, maybe it's time to clean up some of this garbage. Now, while that's cleaning, I'll show you another little trick I like to do. Bring up your task manager, Control Alt Delete. It's going to bring up this screen here, and this is going to let you know everything that's running on your PC, everything apps that you might have open, background processes. This number right here, the bigger it gets, the more your PC is doing. Right now I got Streamlabs open because I'm making this video. It's using 5% of my CPU to record this video. Scroll down. We're looking for stuff that's using a lot of the PC's resources, which there's not many. These runtime brokers, you can get rid of those. They're gonna come back, but if you're like a streamer like me, sometimes right before I go live, I come in here and I get rid of as much stuff that I know isn't going to affect anything. So I'll end these runtime brokers, right-click, end task, and anything else you don't need. Feeds, I don't need that while I'm live. And there we go. We got that cleaned up pretty good. 61 processes. That's not bad at all. There you go. There's two ways of, getting your PC to run nice and smooth. Streamlabs takes a nice hit on your PC. See my CPU numbers jumping around, memory jumping around. A lot of it's right here on Streamlabs. But, if anybody has any questions... See, it's still cleaning up that almost 5 gigs. Put in the comments if you ended up doing the clean MGR. How much space did you clear? I'm curious to see how bad some PCs are out there. Let's see how much had to be cleaned away. All right, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. That's it. Big Rig Frosty Gaming. I'm over and I'm out. See ya.